Gotta pick a day. Um, anyway, so this Twitter thing. Gotta pick a day. Um, apologies for the sound here, guys. We were talking about Rivian short and then a possible Meta long today, and then this launch of Meta's Thread app. I mean, damn. Threads will be directly linked to Meta's popular photo sharing platform, and screenshots suggest users can keep their usernames and easily follow the same accounts, blah, 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 blah. It's not clear when it would be launched on Android. Meta, blah, 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 blah. Twitter is an obvious target with many users keen to jump ship given the parade. Um, where were we? Anyways, let's go through some charts here. The Rivian here is trading 21. Is there news on this thing?
Just that it's in play.
Yeah.
I think it's, they had some news on that. Better expected deliveries. They had some news on Amazon. I think Amazon's rolling out the Rivian. I saw it last night.
Oh,
Amazon rolling out the.
interesting.
They got an upgrade to $18 as well.
Upgrade to $18 a share, huh? GP Raber's talking about silver. High yo silver. Gold is kind of a laggard here. I know you've been all over the silver there, so good luck there. If you take a look at oil, oil's looking pretty bullish. Maybe it breaks out, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. That's a possible. Um, somebody upgraded Rivian to $28. That would be a monster squeeze. So you don't want to get too early on this. By the way, is this shortable?
Yeah,
It's it's easy to borrow.
it's like 10% short flow.
The order will be placed for current. Okay, whatever. All right, yeah. So you can easily short this. It's not a problem. All right. Do we want to start with shares? No, I'm not going to start with shares. Um, anyways, you guys see me my positions. I'm heavy long here, so I'm going to have to do some hedging off the open. This is the line that I'm most worried about, of course. This is the one where I'm taking the biggest bet on. As you remember from the previous stream, I'm looking to collect a good amount of premium on the long side into Friday. But obviously, with this gap down, it's going to look a little. It's going to. This one's going to look a little tight off the open. So I'm going to have to manage this one and see what's up here. As you can see, I moved into Roblox, Riot, PayPal. I still have swings on Apple, Amazon, and Meta. Meta, if you look at the morning here, obviously with the news with the Twitter thing, you might see a rotation there, maybe. So if there's a rotation here in Meta, maybe I'll take that off the open. We'll see what's up there. Um, So yeah, Meta is going to be the top name that I sit there and look at, and then of course the Tesla here off the open. I think you get it. I think you go dead now on Tesla. So I think the move on Tesla is sell both sides, but it's very difficult to do because it has such a wide range. So if you are going to do it, wait for the shit to drop before you sell puts. Wait for the shit to go up before you sell calls. My boy over here was talking about UPST this morning. It doesn't look like it's doing much, but something to also take a look at. Banks from Monday, we're trading pretty aggressively, so maybe you continue to get the rotation in banks. Somehow I doubt it. These things fucking suck to trade. These things suck to trade, so I wouldn't mess with them. Anybody who bought the BTC, I bought BTC on the weekend thinking that we were gonna, go to like 31,000, 30, no, sorry, 32,000. We got some action a couple of days, for that one day, we hit like 31.2 on BTC, and then we just kind of we didn't do shit. So that fizzled out, and if you look, BTC is trading 33. So I went ahead and sold calls again on BTC. I'm selling both sides on BTC. Somebody just brought up this wolf. What the fuck is this thing? What the fuck is this thing? Wolf speed. Somebody tell me what this thing is. I have no idea what it is. AMD is looking flat off the open. Netflix here has got a gap up here as well. Um, you know, I don't know. I don't know.
Roblox still looks good for last week.
Yeah, I still got the Roblox.
Roblox, okay.
I still got about 200 calls. I mean, I'm in the August option, so
Looks good. Might as
if
well.
yeah, if the Roblox goes back to like 42 and covers the gap, I'm gonna buy more. That's another idea, but for most part, I'm gonna be looking to how to hedge this off the open and then figure out if we retrace this move down or see what's up. I mean, we could sell off, guys. We could. It's not that far out of the question.
Carvana over 2650. Hold, I like that. Good piece.
Yeah, that CVNA hasn't really been able to get back to those previous highs. Remember, they were playing the Peloton on Monday. Not to say they come back into this one again, but you got to see where that rotation is. Silver and gold. You know what was moving really well past couple of days is the steel names, X and like copper, FCX. You know, yeah, Bruce, the Rivian is wild, man. What do you want to do with this thing? I'm thinking of shorting it. 10 minutes to the open here. What do you guys got? Um, what do you guys got? Give me some. Give me some shit. Joby. All Dave is talking about the Joby sick intraday trade. I want to know when this thing comes off. Like, is this thing ready to go to $7 or at least $9? Short after this week. I don't think we could short this week. Bruce is saying Wolf is a semi. Oh, it is. Bounce on weed names. Shit, I haven't looked at a weed name in a long time.
This U.S. dollar's looking weak here. U.S. dollar weak. That's not going to do much here.
Bad Harambe is talking about Mara Short. Gurpreet, what's going on, man? Which ones are you watching, Manish? I haven't looked at a fucking weed name in forever, man. TLRY is the only one that I fucking remember. Yes, sir. TLRY 170. Tilray. Tilray. This was a $300 stock at one point. Jesus. By the way, Snapchat hasn't even gone down. Which one? Hood. What's Coin doing this morning? Green Thumb Industries. What the fuck is this? Yo, how many of you guys in here know a lot about penny stocks? If somebody has shares of something and it's like he just has the he just has the piece of paper saying that he owns X, Y, and Z number of shares and he's trying to sell it. Like, how many of you guys know how to do this? This kid asked me the other day, one of my friends here in PR. Ah, here, let me see what it says. All right, it's pineapple. It's the Pineapple Express. 200,000 shares of Pineapple Express common stock transferable on the books of the corporation blah 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 blah. So okay, so what's that stock? Pineapple Express. So it actually does have a ticker here, PNPL. So it trades on the OTC, PNPL. All right, so how would he sell this? Anybody know? If it's an OTC name, how do you sell it? By the way, gold is looking pretty good. I don't know if I'd just straight up buy it. GDX. Oh yeah, maybe that's a better one. Just call a broker. Precious metals looking tasty for a long swing. Yeah, I don't have any of that actually. By the way, Ask Chrissy Trades is sitting right next to me.
The name gets me every time.
Ask Chrissy Trades.
It sounds like as Chrissy trades. As Chrissy trades.
By the way, that EMPH still holding 170. So that
Hey, Chris.
you still could have a long there. Chris here's talking about that CVNA. You know, it's possible you get a move up on that one.
So bullish on it. Yeah. We'll try to find a dip.
Okay, we are open. First things first, I got to check my positions here. To sell stock certificates, you can cash them in through the transfer agent of the company with which the stock is owned, or you can work with a broker to sell the stock. All right. Nice pop here on SPY. CVNA printed, Jesus. Again, these programs off the open, you can't trust them completely, but they are interesting. AMD is up nice. It's up nice. Um, Melly here is positive. Let's take a look at the meta here. Meh. HD is up a little bit. The gold here flopped a little bit. USO. What about the catch-up trade on Google? We still have a possible catch-up trade on Google. Also, we want to take a look at the Rivian for a possible short. Possible. For a possible. Um, oh, shit. My boy over here just called out Netflix. Netflix, is that over the previous highs from June? There's a gap there. Oh shit. All right, let's pull up these 450 options just to fuck around. Who's who's watching this Netflix? FedEx is up here. Let's take a look at this Roblox here. Roblox down to 41 and a quarter. It's not looking too hot. PayPal here also not looking too hot. Now I could go ahead and sell more puts. I mean, I could, but do I feel confident about this? All right, I think it's too early. I think it's too early. So let me hold off for now. All right, let's take a look at possible rotations. That Amazon looks really good. Right, we know that thing still looks good. 131. Look at AMD. Oh, a buck and a quarter here. Rivian is kind of weak. Are you?
Not yet.
You're.
I'm waiting.
Man, I'm not really watching it, so I don't want to.
That is not looking great.
It never is. It never is. That meta's up. It's up a point. Whatever. Amazon here, um, dump back a little bit. Netflix here, dump back. Ben, let me know if you go long this thing. What's your out? Joby. Somebody said a tanker. A tanker. The fuck are you talking about, tanker? She ain't no damn tanker. Netflix got an upgrade? Comedy. Nvidia up. Yeah, that is garbage. That's Their narrative we hear a lot lately. Roblox here doing nothing. PayPal here doing nothing. Those are the two names that I kind of rotated into. They look like shit. Shop looks terrible. Good thing I got out of that. I got out of my shop calls. Arc here is kind of holding. Let's put some eyes on this Netflix here. Some of the guys here at the office are already long here. If you look at the 450s, they're fucking expensive. $4. Um, I think it's a lock market here. I'll buy 25 of these. I bought 25 of the Netflix just to fuck around here. Oh, just printed 451 on that Netflix. Yo, the spread is horrible. Even if I make money, I ain't gonna make shit. Short Carvana. Really? Uh-oh. Ask Chrissy Trades a short Carvana. It looks good. It looks good. Looks good. Amazon here, they dump back the rally. So the same thing could happen on the Netflix here. I'm gonna cover some Netflix just in case here. I gotta send reject. Wow. I got stuck orders now. Check out the Microsoft. Check out the Microsoft. The Microsoft looks strong, man. SPY also fresh highs. Damn, man. My stuck order is gonna kill me. I can't get out. That's fucked up. I'm gonna have to let that one go. That Rivian was nice, man. Rivian, you had a 40-cent option that opened up and it's trading 80 cents right now. These are the $20 puts. That was a nice one on Rivian. Amazon's starting to come back here. I kind of like the long on Google. It sounds crazy, but I kind of like it. Ben, let me know. You still holding that? Tape kind of sucks, but it's not selling. Amazon back at highs. Look at Microsoft. Look at Microsoft. You're going to want to look at this. I'm going to buy some more on the Meta. I'm just going to buy another 25 lot on the Meta. I bought some more Microsoft, so I got 50 of those. By the way, the short puts, I kind of still like them, man. I'm going to add. I'm going to fucking add. Sounds crazy here too, but I'm going to add. I bought some more Meta. I'm in, I don't have that much, but I bought some more. Rivian pop. You might be able to short this pop on the Rivian. Tesla is at 281. FYI, I actually would sell calls here. Let's see what the flow's got going on. Somebody bought some 290s on Tesla for the August strike. Somebody also bought some puts here, August. CRWD, some coin calls here. Somebody bought the dip on coin. I kind of like that. I do kind of like that. Um, Yo, check out the Google. Check out the Google. Did anybody buy? Has anybody bought that Google? I think that's your fucking buy, man. I think that's your buy. This thing hasn't had a rotation for days now. This thing hasn't had a rotation for days. If you buy the 121s, you're paying 97 cents. There's already a decent amount of contracts traded on this. What, the Netflix? Oh, I got lucky. I got lucky on this. The meta came back for me here. I should just take this and bounce. Oh, don't tell me on the snap. Where the fuck is the snap? Over 12 on the snap. Guys, again, the swing long is not done. It ain't done. I'm going to cover half of the Netflix and just hold the other half. I bought 100 of the Google. All right, I'm going to sell more puts on SPX. I kind of want to just blow out risk-wise. Check out the Microsoft 340. All right, let's buy 100 of the Googles. So now we're in the Googles. Meta now, I'm almost green on Meta. Wow, that's insane. Wow. All right, let's make it 100 on the Meta. All right, now we have the Netflix actually trading $6 here on this option. Netflix is trading back over 450. I think guys, long fat man. Long fat man. Look at Microsoft. Is anybody in Microsoft? Jesus Christ, this thing, man. Where's Tesla? 281. I kind of want to sell calls on this one. I ain't going to do it. I'm going to dump the rest of the Netflix here. I only got 18 left, so I'm out of that. In reality, that was a good trade.
Yeah, Carmona going back to Lowe's. I lined it up on that pop and didn't get back. I'm sure from 27.
SPY is still.
I want to see it. I want to see it keep on getting rejected. That's big.
All right, I went ahead and sold more of the puts. So if you can see, my P&L is tracking back here. Um, let's not all get too cocky here on the long, but check out Meta. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Any dips on Meta here, I'm going to start buying. And by the way, Meta, Google itself, they're going to bring up the market here. I'm also long futures. I'm long SPY. I'm long everything. Again. I'm gonna sell more puts on dips. Google just hit 121 here. I think you get 122 out of this Google. This thing has been a long time coming, man. Um, Chris, what is our plan on Facebook? 300? 300?
Yeah, I mean, if it stays strong, we'll hold it for as long as I need to.
Yeah. All right. Check out the Roblox piece of shit. So that was bad rotation on my part. Roblox and PayPal. PayPal's holding up a little bit better than the others. Check out the Google. Now starting to pay. Fuck it. Just fucking go long. All right, here we getting the stretch. We getting the stretch on the Google. I'm gonna sell some of the Google here. That's a nice stretch. I bought 97. I'm selling a buck 20 here. Coin is highs? No way. No way. Where's BTC? BTC starting to come back. Not really though. Jesus on Google, guys. Holy shit. You knew it was going to have a day like this, though. It couldn't keep this thing down. I'm going to sell another 25 at a buck 30 here. It's a,
Target shit.
it's a, it's a good scalp. FOMC minutes have come out today, but nobody cares. Nobody cares. They're not going to say anything. This market is just a fucking buy. Meta here highs.
Holy shit. Oh,
Yo, stock the trade. You're not using HFT anymore. SW has to be negative today. Vite, Natalia. Hay alguien en el chat. Me está preguntando que mira, pero sabemos más. Nosotros sabemos más. All right, here you got a meta dip. Meta hit fucking 291 here, man. I just got 140 on the Google options there. I'm gonna come out of some more. Meta buy rumor, sell the news on new Twitter rival will be released tomorrow. Bruce. So what are you saying? You're saying buy now and then sell the release tomorrow? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're talking about?
holy shit. Is
Which one? SQ?
Q's at highs yet? No. From 372. Never mind.
Yeah, Q's look way. Look at IWM. Look at IWM. IWM's getting smoked here. KRE, yeah, it's the regional banks here getting smoked again. No surprise. Where's oil? Oil held. Oil held. All right, let's take a look at the Microsoft again. Where is the Netflix? It's doing nothing. Ben, I got out of that Netflix.
Yeah, this is my last contract.
283 the Tesla hit. Let's take a look at this flow here. Yeah, yeah. If Meta continues higher here, it's going to keep bringing up the market. Meta here, they're buying 292 and a halves for the end of the week. They're also buying the 290s. This was at 943, so this was 5 minutes ago. Amazon here, you got a rotation to Amazon. Nvidia here, they're buying. AMD, they're buying. They're buying all the same shit, guys. Tesla, all the same shit. All the same shit. XPEV. I don't know what the hell that is. What is that? But it's October. What is XPEV? Xpeng. Whoa. So this is an ADR for what? Chinese EV maker. All right, all right, all right. So this is another candidate for the short. Smooth. I like that. Meta here back to highs. Oh boy. Oh boy. I got 100 of these. Meta here is gone. It's going to have a clear rotation here. Should we sell some Meta? I mean, I'm up fucking 12 grand on this shit. Yeah, let's sell some. Cover 25 of the Meta. Eh, it's kind of yeah, I covered 25 of the Meta. I still got 75 left. That was a nice one though. By the way, SPX. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let's fucking blow out here. Let's blow out here. 170 of the short puts.
I haven't made money on it yet. I just been short the pop ups. I mean, I haven't made money on it yet. When it spiked up there, I had got it. Hold on, I'm waiting for it to come back to 25 though. Look, here it goes. There's sellers there, man. I wanted it if it pops.
Okay, Meta got some issues here. Google's kind of coming in. I don't know. You might get you might get this stuff softening out here. Amazon here punked out. I wouldn't be surprised now if you kind of get this stall out. This is where you want to start selling the calls. But the problem is on Tesla. Let's say we sell calls on Tesla, right? What the fuck are we really gonna make? 290, right? You sell 290s, you're getting $2. Do we care? Is it worth it to sell for $2 on that? Meta. By the way, as long as Meta goes higher, this market's going higher. How much leverage would it take? How much wood could a woodchuck could if a woodchuck would? Is that what it is? I think I fucked that all up. I don't think I got that right. Um, nice dump on that Tesla there. Let's see. It's a $15 spread. If you sell 25 of these, I can actually sell a lot of these. Let's do it. Let's do it. I feel good about the trade, so let's put it on. I'm going to sell 100 of these Tesla calls, 290s. I wouldn't follow me on this, but I don't know. I like it. I like it. XPEV, Meta 293. But okay, let me ask you guys a question. How many how many of you guys thought short immediately off the open? And how many of you guys actually shorted immediately off the open? What speaking of shop deep in the monies. CCL and RCL, by the way, they still haven't sold off. So we still haven't found the day where they're gonna come off on those. By the way, take a look at Meta. if everybody's, stuck one way and all the flow is going to two names, it's going to mostly Google and the Meta. Pins is down, Snap is flat. Amazon is just kind of meh. Where's Apple? Apple's not doing shit. Microsoft, whatever. So now you're going to need some leadership from somewhere else here. Otherwise, chances are we start fading here. Okay, my line is bet on this, guys. So I have almost 200 of these, and I stand to make another 3 points in premium there. That's another 60 grand by the end of the week. So that's my bet. That's my bet right there. I mean, obviously we did good on Meta. Nvidia 428 highs. All right. I mean, if they're still buying this one, fresh highs on the Nvidia. FCNCA. All right, this is where it gets tricky, guys. Chances are you'll get a pullback here. The question is do we go cover the gap or do we go back down? Who's short up here? Who's short up here? I wouldn't blame you if you are.
Actually, I covered a lot, and it's not more than a certain
I wouldn't blame you.
damn it, man. That's a flush.
Rivian here just flushed out. There's your Carvana. That looks good. That looks good. Tesla, whatever. A lot of play just held there. Breath at the same time. Sniper mode. I don't know what you just said, but keep going that way. CRM here is still holding. Where is that one name that could never sell off? Spotify. I'm waiting for Spotify to have a 20-point down day in one day. I gotta literally buy December fucking puts on that shit. I think Meta just hit highs, if I'm not mistaken. Google here pulled back. I mean, what else are you gonna buy? It's the thing, you know what I mean? What else are you gonna fucking buy here? By the way, I'm getting my ass kicked in Roblox. I'm getting my ass kicked in Roblox. I'm down fucking 12 grand there. Piece of shit. Piece of shit. IHTP is saying this market is resilient as fuck. When did you figure that out, bro? What, did you figure that out today, bro? It might have helped if you figured that out maybe, oh, I don't know, 3 months ago. There's nothing else to buy. What else are you gonna buy here? Right. Google's still holding. Yep. Let's take a look at the market here. I mean, it looks like it wants to kind of come in a little bit from here. Banks, whatever. GS is kind of selling here. If you look at IWM and all this kind of stuff, JPM is just looking kind of weak. Let's take a look at gold. Gold came in, right? If you look at oil, man, HD is up a little bit. Everything is just kind of chilling here. Bruce is saying, can I do a wellness check on pins? I mean, I'm not in pins. Do I need to do a wellness check, bro? It did hit 26 and a quarter. That would have been a buy. That should have been the buy. I'm just not watching it. What do you want to do on that? Mara. Oh shit, Mara came back. I mean, I'm in the riot. Should I buy more? Should I buy more? BTC is doing nothing. I don't understand how these things are that strong when BTC is doing nothing. But again, maybe I'm just off. By the way, again, I'm getting absolutely blitzed on fucking Roblox. piece of shit. Let me take a look at this PayPal. PayPal is another one. I'm getting blitzed there too.
Yeah, I tossed that one out the window.
So those are my shit trades right there.
Me too.
But I'm gonna hold because I got August, so whatever. Yeah. All right. Let's take a look at these numbers. All right. I mean, guys, it's not much. There's nothing much left to do here. I mean, it's 10 o'clock here. We're already done for the day. All right. Already done for the day.
He's all pulled back to a previous day's close here.
Yeah.
Nice
Yeah.
little dip by the.
Luis, dale para acá, uy. Yo no puedo ahora mismo. Tengo como tres eventos corridos aquí en Santurce, así que me quedo aquí. Este fin de semana yo voy a subir. Ay, ay, ay. Coño. Snap here, fresh eyes. I don't have any rolls on Snap. I should probably roll. Should probably roll. I mean, I could, right? Let's not keep it out of the question, right? Snap looks good, man.
Meta. Oh my God, meta highs again.
Damn, Snap looks really good.
There's got to be a number of people stuck in this cycle.
What options did I have? I don't remember what options I had. Shit. Fresh high spy.
Insane. Hey, Diego's back.
Bruce is saying to average down on Roblox. I mean, in reality, that's what it's doing, right? It's just kind of putting in this stupid range. I could average down, but I don't want to. I'm just gonna leave that. Tesla pop back. Those leaps on Shopify are interesting, really interesting, and they're super deep in the money. Somebody put down $6 million on Shopify in the monies for next year, guys. You know what I'm saying? That's that's you know, that's a pretty big deal. Could be replacement. I don't know, but they bought Junes for next year. It's a good $5-6 million there. You know, I've just been kind of trading that wrong. You know. Okay, we're pretty. I mean, what is Meta back at highs? I mean, there's nothing else to buy. What else are you gonna buy here besides Google and Meta today? You know, where's that Netflix? See, they couldn't do it on the Netflix either. Yeah, Roblox is probably fresh lows. Fresh lows, easy. That thing. I mean, that was the whole move from Monday. I'm going for the break. That's my problem. What I should do is I should hedge it. That's what I should do. Fucking Meta, man. I got to roll, man. I should roll on the Meta. Is what I should do. Just take some of these profits and roll it.
Yeah, I took a lot of profits on that one. That was an insane move.
I mean, I got July's, right? So let's say we roll to, I don't know. Oh shit, AI hit 39. Quiet, quiet. I mean, check out your UPST. Somebody just bought that wolf. When have they set a date for the cage match? I want to hear the song for Celebrity Deathmatch. They had like a great fucking song. Celebrity Deathmatch song. Oh, here we go. Here it is.
Well, folks, we're all out of time. This is Johnny Gomez saying good fight, good night.
Classics. Celebrity Deathmatch. All right. What do we got here? Fresh highs on Meta. No fucking surprise. I only got 20 lot left. I feel like a punk. That was a $100,000 trade, easy. My average cost was $5 on that. I'm selling 650. That option closed at $3 yesterday, and I'm in the monthly Junes. Or sorry, July's. The weeklies on Meta must have been insane, man. Insane. Shop looks like shit. Let's take a look at this. Fuck. Take a look at Snapchat, guys. 12 and a quarter on that Snapchat. Shit. 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 12 and a quarter on the fucking Snapchat. I mean, again, my whole bet is based on Friday's expo, and I take it to the bank with my $3 of extra premium here, which is another 60 grand, you know, and we have a nice week here. Obviously, it'd be better if this fucking Roblox would not go down, you know, but you get the picture. Is anybody in Snap? Nobody's in Snap, huh? Nobody likes this shit. I'm the only fucking schmuck who trades this shit. That was a nice dip buy on the Pinterest, though. There's your flop on SPY. AMD. I mean, AMD, you got to be in the swing. Nvidia here, fresh highs. Melt up, man. Melt up here. Melt up on the Nvidia. Where's the Rivian? 1950 on the Rivian. That was a nice short, man. This short's still working. It's complicated to hold it, though. Nice dump, Rivian. Tesla here down through 280, by the way. I have the short calls, so we're doing okay there. Está funcionando. No. Why? Where's it at? That thing sucks, bro. Fuck that thing. There's better trades here. Oh, Tobias is talking about that soon. I don't even want to open this thing up. Oh shit! All right, nice flop on the soon. UPST. Check out your boy. Check out your boy.
It's a sophomore, man. I don't know if this is gonna go over 30, like 40, with momentum.
Shop here sold.
Strong today, though.
Tesla here. Somebody bought some calls for the July monthlies. You got Meta calls here getting bought for this week, 297 and a half. Microsoft calls next week. More Microsoft calls next week. Meta's 300s this week. I mean, come on, yo. By the way, guys, if you don't have access to a platform that shows you solid options flow, custom options flow, not just all options flow, because all options flow is fucking useless. Most people do not understand this. Go to wallstreetjesus.com. I'll put the link in here for you. And why is it
.com.
useless? Well, trillions of dollars exchange hands every day in the options market. And most options platforms, they have no idea how to screen for. We have Wall Street Jesus. You need a filter. Guys, the elevator is possessed. I wouldn't recommend walking in there. Where? 280. Eric is saying, Lucci, you often watch Rivian and Electric. I don't watch shit. I don't watch any of that shit, bro. I don't watch none of it. Seriously, I don't watch none of it. I mean, I'm only watching Rivian now because it has a fucking a, meteoric, mete, meteor, cata, exponential. I'm trying to find the right adjective here. Somebody help me out. I mean, the shit went from what, $10 to $20. I just want to short it. That's all. Google. Check out the Google. We still have how many? We only have 25. We only have a 25 lot left. But that Google looks good. Fresh High Spy. Let's also sell some more SPX puts. Because we want to make some motherfucking money here. Google highs. Google highs. Google highs. Damn, I should have had more than that, man. I should have had fucking way more. 122 on the Google. Bye bye. Rivian, where's Rivian right now? Rivian went back to $20. Okay, fine. Look at the pop on Tesla. Whatever. I got 180 short puts now. 180. No surprise. That's also going to tick the market up here. Q's. Google. Holy shit. I'm gonna cover the rest of it, but I need to roll. We need to roll on all this shit, man. I'm being a punk right now. I need to roll on Meta and I need to roll on Google. I'm just not doing it because I don't want to roll at the fucking highs. Syed is saying Nvidia with no regard for human life. China limiting chip metal exports had zero effect on stock. Your mistake was thinking that it would have an effect. Our mistake always is thinking things have any effect whatsoever. Ideally, you don't want to operate with news in your wheelhouse. Ideally, problem is it's almost impossible not to. Right? What are you gonna do? You're gonna hold through these fucking huge news events. It's tough. But when a market has a specific trend, like this motherfucking market, you can't fight it. Look at all these. You see the graveyard of bodies. Do you see the graveyard of bodies in front of you? Those are people who've been short for 6 months now, thinking this market being in a recession is a fucking bad thing. Yeah, exactly. If you're hearing the news and it's about an Nvidia chips, blah blah blah, that shit is already priced the fuck in, man. You just hearing it now, man. I I mean, to have a day where Meta's up 10 points and I only made 20 grand on it, I need to slap myself. I need to fucking slap myself is what I need to do. However, we're selling more of the Meta. We made we didn't even make 20 on it. We made 16 on it. I'm out of the Google. I have 180 of the short puts on on um I mean I could just blow out, right? Just blow out, just go all in here. I have half a million left in leverage here. I'm not against it. Okay. So on your point, GP Raver on the MSTR, I like that too. I just don't understand why BTC is not playing ball here. So what am I missing here? Why am I too hell bent on BTC needing to move and these things going higher, right? So previously, MSTR, Riot, and Mara, they wouldn't go higher unless BTC ticked up. Now BTC is not even ticking up, and these things are going higher. So what am I missing? I'm missing something. I'm missing something. That Riot went back to highs, bro. The fucking Riot went back to highs, bro. So what am I missing? I'm missing something. I'm missing something. I don't know what it is I'm missing, but I'm missing something. Raber, you want to help me out? AI, $40, 40 and a quarter. Check out this AI. They're buying the same shit. By the way, that Nvidia is at 430 and a half, which is pretty impressive. Jay just went all in on Q calls. Oh boy, pobrecito. Check out the Google.
What's do you know what post IPO equity is?
Post IPO equity. No. SPY goes green where? By the way, take a look at Microsoft back at 40. This Netflix sucks. Google, I suck, guys. The option doubled on the Google. I just didn't want to hold it. Anybody hold it? Anybody hold it? The Google? Monster fucking move here. Negative premium attached to it and Bitcoin was going down. Maybe those stocks going back towards a higher premium compared to BTC, if that makes sense. Yeah. Nvidia fresh highs. I'm surprised there's no rotation. There's a couple of names that got no rotation. I just covered the last bit of my meta here, 297. Where's the CRM? Riot. Should I buy more Riot? Nah. Nah. Roblox looks like shit. Let's take a look at the Tesla. I think I'm spot on the Tesla, in my opinion. You know what you could do, guys? If you missed this whole move, all you need to do is sell puts on Google, sell puts on Meta. You could do that if you wanted. It's a way to kind of save face here, even though you missed out on the sexy time. If you missed it, you could just go ahead and sell puts here. Pagan is saying SPX goes green at 44.55. I mean, you guys already see I'm.
Everyone was shitting on the metaverse.
Yo,
Look at it
that's
now.
the biggest. That's the biggest fu. And you remember the narratives. I mean, guys, we were talking about news. You guys remember in the beginning of the year they were shitting on metaverse. They're shitting on Meta. Why they lost all this money going into the fucking metaverse and blah 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 blah. And now the stock what tripled since there?
Since the lows?
Almost tripled.
Yeah, 230%.
230%. 230% move. You know? And y'all want to trade the fucking news, man?
Unreal.
Meta 760 now on my option. Oh my god. Oh, you piece of shit. Oh, you piece of shit. You're such a piece of shit. Even my option doubled, and I had a $4 option. And you had as much size as you fucking wanted, man. I'm getting there, guys. I'm closer. I'm closer. You're gonna start seeing these fucking $500,000 days soon. Fucking closer. Just gotta move. Just gotta move quicker. Just gotta move quicker.
Watching this Amazon, we can hold above 130 half.
Yeah. Yeah, you should see a rotation over there. Guys, as soon as SPY goes green, I'm out of some other shit.
On meta.
Yo tengo 40. Cumplo mañana. Tengo 40. Y también tengo un punto 40. Fucking cabrón. Sorry. It's a poor joke, but sometimes you gotta do it. I mean, in honor of the punto 40, we might as well play the song. Should we play the old song or should we play Rao? Should we play the old one I mean, even the dude is in he's in the other one.
Tengo una punto 40 y es para volar. Tengo una punto 40 y es para volar. Tengo una punto 40 y es para volar. No me la va a usar. Tengo una punto 40 y una gata pa' pelear.
Fucking Rao. I like Rao. I like him. All right, let's do a walk around the club here before we leave. All right, this is oil. It's not doing much here. Let's take a look at the meta. Obviously, you see the meta here with the fucking stupid ass rotation. It's ridiculous. Let's take a look at the Tesla. You can see the chop on Tesla. I think you sell both sides on Tesla. If you guys don't have much, if you guys got leverage and you don't got any trade ideas, I like this one a lot. You just trap it on both sides here. I don't think it does anything. Let's take a look at the Microsoft. Obviously, you see the rotation back to Microsoft. Same thing on the Google. Finally, got a rotation back to the Google. Um, AMD, Nvidia here. AMD looked really strong this morning, and now it looks like blah. There's good rotation to Nvidia. Again, I think you just hold swing long all this stuff. I don't think there's a reason to get out. By the way, Snapchat hit 1235, and my dumbass didn't roll. You have winners, you gotta roll them, a la Ranchero. Ranchero, I don't know if he's here, but he's obviously the influence for all of us here. You got something that's working here, chances are they'll keep going for it. Fucking snap. It's a big deal. Let's take a look at these BTC names. Mara and Riot here track back the gaps, which is really interesting considering um, BTC hasn't done anything, right? Even the MSTR came back. If you take a look at the coin, it's chilling. Um, if we look at the Amazon, whatever, just take a look at the Apple, also just kind of dead. Roblox here, which is a name that I'm long, also actually starting to come back on the Roblox. I mean, I could add on this Roblox, but I don't want to. Fuck this thing,
Is that Amazon trying to get back above 130 half?
right? And then for other rotation, if you really could see, I still think pins could get over $30. I don't know what world or what it would require for that to happen, but you know, something I'd like to see. Take a look at the UPST. If you look at the AI, you got rotation back here too. Same names from before. Continuation, and then they just kind of keep rotating. That's it. That's the name of the game. You guys know what it is. I really don't think there's much else to say here. You tell me. Can I get the fuck out of here? Can I get the fuck out of here? I gotta throw more cash in my Kalshi account. I'm gonna actually do that right now. Throw more cash in my Kalshi account. Gotta make some degenerate bets on the side here. Also hedge. I really want to see if they have the bet for Elon Musk and I want that bet, bro. I'm not playing anything on Kalshi right now. I got blown out on one trade. I went all in on for $100. So I gotta throw in another. I'm gonna throw in $500, and then I'm gonna really start to try to use this in certain situations. Only in certain situations. Let me see what new bets they got out of here. Let's see what new bets they got here. Atlantic tropical storm. Blah 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 blah. Your China GDP you can bet on. Next Fed board member. Next Fed decision. Billboard hot 100. Look at this. Credit rating downgrade. Fed vice chair TikTok ban. It's still here. This is just kind of whack though. So they don't have Elon Musk yet, but I guarantee they're gonna put that shit out there. I really hope they do. Let's take a look at the daily close here. This is the problem. The problem with the daily closes is that you have to kind of swing these too. I gotta kind of swing these too, and then they only open the daily close up. Let's see what else they have for S&P. They got the yearly close. Let's see if they have a weekly close. Yeah, they have a weekly close. So this, in certain situations, I would trade this way more. You know what I mean? The problem is it's already priced in, right? So if you look at this SP, I would bet this all day, right? 44, this range right here. The problem is you ain't gonna get paid shit. Because it's already priced in to go there. So again, it's like betting Mayweather here. You know. Jaeger is saying, "Who you taking for that fight?" I don't know. I don't know. I need to do a little bit of research here. I, I don't know who to go for. I wouldn't know who to go for. Let me get you guys the link here to also get an account on Kalshi. I would recommend that for everybody here. That way we can make some cool prop bets here on the market all the time. Guys, this is what we do. This is what we do, guys. Cool prop bets here on the market. We got to make some prop bets out here. Guys, and there's certain situations where it's really advantageous, and you get some really good spreads. You feel confident about something. By the way, and there's certain situations where the take a look at the Microsoft. Take a look at the Microsoft. All right, there's your push on SPY. That's what we were looking for, and let's get out. Let's get out. All right, so now we have a pretty good option going here. Let's add full size on our short puts. Okay. Let's also dump out completely here. What the fuck? Now the problem is I'm not leaving much room for error. You know what I'm saying? So I still could be wrong. I mean, the market still could dump out here. You never know. It's just you're seeing a good enough rotation here to give you the sign here that we're going to continue higher. By the way, still got the PayPal, still got the Roblox. I'm getting nowhere on those. I'm in the Riot. I haven't added on the Riot. I have SPY calls. I'm in SPY calls still. Swing SPY calls for August. Would you hit something good? You hit something good? And then I have the short calls on Tesla too. Royal Max talking about the CMG. I haven't looked at fucking CMG in forever, man. Guys, use that call sheet link I sent you here. That way we can take some prop bets together. I want to take prop bets with you guys. It's more fun. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Is tomorrow the market's open tomorrow? My birthday's tomorrow. My birthday's tomorrow. Eric, yeah, I added to short puts here. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have now that I'm thinking about it, because you want to add, Yeah, every bet that I make on Kalshi here, I'll throw them out here. Um. Anyways, take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I might be on, I might not be, but I'll probably be on. There's a lot of events going on here for the next couple of days here at the office and around the office. Again, guys, I would highly recommend. It's the summer. Take a little vacation. Come down to PR. Grab a desk. All you got to do is go to tradespace.us. We got a packed house here today. We still need to get this damn website up. Joel, ¿qué está pasando con el sitio? Todavía tenemos ese problema de HTTPS.
El website.
Ajá.
Es un revolú que yo no sé ni explicarlo.
Ok, ok,
Pero Jorge tiene un equipo supuestamente trabajando con eso. Yo tuve que hablar con Sergio y todo.
ok. Bruce loves to comment when I'm not doing something. Again, so he can feel better about his shitty self. I don't want to average down. Is that a fucking problem? I ain't gonna average down yet. Um, let's see. Strong fat man is all that. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, we're out anyway, so I would have banned you, Bruce, but I guess you saved yourself. All right, guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.